Beautiful. That's how you get your wall straight. People, just check it occasionally with a long straight edge. Clips are in, good. Oh, I need another 2 though. Up the wall. So I'll slap a bit of glue on like that. If you do that with a bit of glue, they just stay there nicely. Because I am a fan of notching my tile, I get way less mess. Whooshka. Alright people, we'll see you soon. I've got to mark that cut. It's a bit of a howdy-doody one because the this bulkhead is out of square, out of plum, out of everything, so it has to be individually measured and cut, and it'll end up nice like that one. Okay, we'll see you soon. Ciao. Subscribe and you'll learn how to tile. See ya.